me person busu asem kakra. Wo yire no yare ana.
Certainly yes. Nana, she was diagnosed of a heart problem. Unfortunately, she died when she had the attack.
Curse of others. I don't believe what Boja is saying. He had threatened to kill his wife before. The wife reported him to me last night.
Nana, to the best of my knowledge, there had been cordial relationship between Boja and the wife. And I know of the woman's problem.
Nana,
if he claims that the wife was killed by heart attack, then we have to consult the fetish priest. He will be in the right position to tell us the truth.
Oh, Nahima, how can Boja kill his own wife? Huh? The woman died through heart attack, as he is saying.
Well, our chairman,
no.
We shall invite the chief priest at our next meeting.
Yeah.
Therefore, said your Malcolm for seeing or so no penny for when you ask no Montino. Therefore, said on my confusion. Or say, or penny Boja Tiway, needing a one when you move it. Therefore, Nanasime was soon to say, I hope penny Boja. Or the Cotiba, and the bonny, you know.
Boja, you've heard the chief priest. What have you to say?
Boja, speak. We are waiting for you.
Nana, I swear by your stool, I didn't intend to kill. We had a little misunderstanding, and accidentally my club hit her.
Nana, I told you I don't believe Boja. What is the sense in what he is saying? For lying in this house, I cannot believe him again.
Boja, why did you kill her? Why?
She threatened to divorce me because I couldn't have sexual intercourse with her. I begged her to rescind her decision, but she insisted in order to avoid disgrace.
So, Boja, you have really disappointed me. You have.
Boja. We are sini papa. What we know here now? Netina so kunu. Oh, Dabi.
Boja, for lying to this house and for killing your own wife, I sentence you to death. The life. Shami, call me the warrior.
So is this what you do every day? Why won't you talk to me? Look, I'm sick of you, old man. And you are not there for damp, but you won't talk. Look, I'm talking to you, old man. I have a family I must return to. My father is Openyina J. My mother is Mamiama. I come from a Dukrum. I must return to them.
Go back to the village so that they can kill you?
Kill me.
Your brother left you in that pit to die. Do you think he planned it alone? When you go back to that village, your mother and brother will kill you and your father.
Why? Why?
That is what you must find out.
Look, who are you? Who are you?
When you are ready to return, you will find out. You are not ready.
No one will believe you are an old man. You are so strong.
Yes. Years of working in the field have provided me with strength.
I see. So, Penny, were you ever married?
You don't worry. I will tell you everything about myself.
Right. You are still strong. Very strong.
Oh.
Kakra. Your legs is now strong. Very soon, you will be ready to return to your village to tell the truth about your disappearance.
I'm so anxious to go back. Will you go with me? Why? Have I said something wrong?
Bekum, I am a citizen of Edukrum. I was banished.
For what? Penny.
It's already late. Let's go to bed.
Challenger. No challenger. Any challenger. No challenger. Any challenger. No challenger. Any challenger. No challenger. Yes. There is a challenger. Huh? Coward. Coward. I'm not a coward. Yes. And you know that. Yes. Then prove it.
Yes, Brenya. Yes.
Come on, Brenya. Champion, Brenya, 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 champion. I say, I mean, Aduma, if you are any pitch now, Babette, Mango Nibia Brem, why? Hey, I'm slow. So there.
Don't you feel sometimes that Beku may not be dead?
I say, if you think your brother is out there, go and find him. Everyone has forgotten about your brother.
No. Huh? I've been having serious nightmares about him. coming to tell my father about how we plan to kill him.
Well, I have been having perfect dreams when I sleep. Dreams of making sweet love to Osan. I say, in fact, this is the last time I will tolerate this discussion.
Good day, sir.
Good day. What do you want to?
Sir, you know why I'm here. We didn't finish our discussion yesterday.
What discussion, Brenya? I've told you I've not been initiated yet.
Does that prevent me from pursuing my dream?
What dreams? Listen, I don't love you. Let's go off now. We should be giving your best nonsense. What Jimmy on? Pasiabema. Shone Nimbi. Oh, what are you telling me? Up for Jamon. You next time try that on me again and you see what I'll do to you. I'll go and tell my mother and you see. Foolish boy. And then Nim time because yeah.
What has happened? Where is the pot, sir? Oh, what happened to you?
It is Brenya.
Brenya? What has he done?
He touched my buttocks when I was going to the street.
Brenya touched your buttocks? Hey! Brenya! Hey! The boy is playing with fire. He is playing with fire. Don't worry. I'll report him to your father. And not just a Brenya Chimiwa. Don't worry. I'll report him to your father. Come and eat. Come.
Mitijai! Mitijai! Open Mitijai! Mitijai! Ube Brenyan away. Uba Hofini Sansani Brenyan away.
Open Kazaga, Asambe.
Uba Hofini Sansani, Quasampenino. One of course of me back or Sato, I want to quarrel. I'm now no one in Pefesa. Osa, your fancy ho. Midame Caccio, Casachano.
So penny can take her. Minongo Blabono. As a Sambia Bassa, as open yet Trassi. Near Cannibal, then your ye dear Senya.
Media, me Caccio, Coqua, a chat one, a mebo one. So, Bano, yes, I be him. Baby, I'm new Bejano, wouldn't it?
Look at my leg.
Leave her alone. She can help herself.
But we have to help her. Her foot is twisted.
She deserves it. Leave her alone.
You heartless beast.
Don't you dare insult me.
Hi, Chimiana.
Ha! What's that, baby? Ha, baby. Ha! Are you talking to me? Ha!
What can you do to me?
Next time. Bedu. What? Whoa. Hey, stop playing games. Osa. Get up. Osa. Huh? Osa. Hey. What have I done?
Bedu, what do we do now? What do we do now?
Shut up and let me think.
There's no need to think. We need action. You, the heir to the throne of this village, has committed murder.
Shut up, you fool! We have to tell my father. He will protect us.
What?
Osa! 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 Who could have done this? Osa! Osa! Osei, I want you to go to Openyi Kantanka and tell him Brina has killed his daughter.
Bedu, I can't be part of that.
We are in it together. Let's go.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Look, you killed her?
Papa, it wasn't intentional.
Oh, Tumankuma. Was anybody around?
Yes, Brenya. He came to meet her dead.
I know what to do. The two of you are going to keep your mouth shut. You understand? We are going to nail Brenya to it. Jose, you are going to be the only witness. You understand? Go and inform Kantanga about it. Go.
What is the noise about?
Please, where's Kantanka? Kantanka!
Jose, have you not been trained by your father to address elders with respect?
Please, Openyi, I have an important news.
Yes?
Jose is dead.
Are you crazy, boy?
It is true, Nana. She was killed by Brenya just this very afternoon. I saw it with my naked eyes. Brenya wanted to rape her, and she resisted, and he killed her.
Hey, yeah, hey, Yeah. Hey, wake up. Hey, yeah. Are you dead? See what the back? Hey, yeah. Wake up.
Opani,
Medra. You. Opani, come on. Kill.
My son, we want nothing but the truth, please.
Brenya. Ababa wanu wono. Ede an nanim wo ho. Kamu no kura kire me. What?
Papa, I know nothing about the girl's death. I met her dead. Whoever killed her was trying to rape her.
Brenya, please tell us the truth so that your father will know how to defend you. Please.
Brenya. Sameshrewa. Baby cry. Eti bibia won biara no. Bomode aga kire me. Me hu ni me what e pa chewa.
Papa, trust me. I swear by Odumankuma. I know nothing about it.
Brenya. Se asem ya bai. Se wanti timi atete hu afiri mu a emo asotwe na owuo. Eti ni oni mo ho bia no Brenya. Bomode aka kire me. Brenya. Pa chew.
How's Brenya? Huh? How's Brenya? Come on, let's go. Come on.
Please don't take him away. Please don't take him away. Please don't take him away. I dare you.
Nana, me de bibia ni wobetimi asesa madwen a kire me se me ba no oyo widini abofra a kire mo se oba no beto se onipa yewu eda ho a ye de bibia bo ne tirim o kan so amonte na ase na de wonum nsem nyina bon won kan nyansa sam so da.
If you were close to me, I would have knocked out your teeth.
Elders, you have to compose yourselves.
Nana, I demand that you sentence Brenya the murderer to death. You were the first to listen to the witnesses.
Na adanse for no so wai. Na ya hwehwa adanse for no se mo kan no mu yie ebiu.
Mentijai. Asma Okai dia mama dwuma me na kakra. Etu pacha se nipa bi na heda aye kanana. Akuku se nipa na omde hya obanana.
Me se ma adanse for mbra ha sisi ya.
Ochani.
Nana.
Call me Osei and Bedu now.
You Nana.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yes. Osei is our first witness. Ask what you want, Open.
Yeah.
Osei. Ewudie no esi wo fine. On the path to the river. Now why na ode ade no ebo no? Brenya. Ode die na ebo no. his staff. Nana, me bana ban any. Emumui, and a moja be answering. Let an audience have by the ball. Obi a shady.
Mitijai, Wakasa, Nadibisa. Now was say, a debe no who.
Badu was there. He saw the same thing I saw.
Answer the question.
I still insist he used the staff. Badu. Emre Udi no kosono. Na wo he. Na na mo kwa henso.
The truth is that we heard some noise up the path as we were walking to the village from the riverside. We rushed to the place where the noise was coming from, and we saw Brenya trying to rape Osa. We hid in the bush to make sure of what we were seeing.
Brenya would have killed them. Brenya has threatened to kill my daughter before for not allowing him to fondle with her breast.
Didn't
I report him to you? Huh? I believe your son killed my daughter.
Mintijai. Emra semi ba ye obi okoko to amuni biela e dia danse sa kwenti ba e na obi di bond etiko. Krekra nso e womi obi aso sa dia danse se mamu asiso okrum ha obi no na ni gine e che wo bai Brenya no.
It is only Brenya who can hit perfectly like that. So he did it.
Se machire me ba no se ne de aba ekun ene ade a na no che se obi ko di awu ana se obi ko kum obi a na mo de se me ba no. Oh. Nana me ba no onima asem no ho hwe eti munya anu mami kwakua na nsi asem ka
enough. Chami, ask them to go away. Look, we've wasted precious time for 5 days on this obvious case.
Yeah.
I will give judgment.
Yeah.
Nana Mesebeka, me no nyadwin.
What? Are you challenging my authority?
Therefore, nesab no watching. Nemo masab no untimi hu no kure wom. Ana me ntimi hu no kure wom. Momma ya makofu panimra no no be hu no kure wasem. Ah, mentijai. Hwan ye twele no mra ansa na yabuasa se we. Obakuro ye adasidi amafo di fan ho no. Kantanka be. Yeso akofeche fechire no. Ama ho asem da ho no yeguso ayeka ayenka nwie. Emrantie sumi anu ebebegina ha eye osei ene sa badui abedi adanse e de tia no so mo kokoto so sa wodi sa boni na fe hwan biem ene enkyere no ansa na eguasa sebui what is asebui bi da therefore mesemeka buasemi na se bia fa na asem nko asem de me srem ammo kofu panimra na no behu no.
Look, I am the highest authority in this village. Yeah. And whatever I say binds.
Yeah.
2 people have given ample evidence that Brenya murdered Osaha.
Yeah.
We are not going to wait for any fetish priest. Brenya will be buried alive immediately.
Yeah.
Nana Mesebeka, ipacha wa puntentia amana onya agenda.
Kuma Mami Kodadi. That's what Makuma. Seminumubia. My yow. Atetia. And then no me. And Kakrui.
Form. Some of friends only by 7 who be there. And a woman could be. That's only by 7 who be. And you do not suffer. And your Odwakwa. Mamusua. I'm not grateful. Jai, not Mako Bedia, some mama.
Auntie Jai, you know our customs and traditions. It was necessary for your son to be executed.
Sure.
So I don't see why you want to resign from this council.
Sure.
Nana, a person with TSS. Minimo Tonquanta, Yapai. I fear being Okai correct. The Numini Bibia,
Hey! What have you done, Anna? What have you done?
What?
The blood of an innocent man cries from the ground to Admakuma. Whom have you killed?
Nana, Umo Kumeba, Brenya, I wouldn't master my horse.
Hey! The gods are angry for the shedding of the blood of an innocent man. A curse is on this village. Woe unto this village.
Nana, one. No cry, not dead, you know. A samba Dabi. Dabi, and a mumbo. Dabi, na mubu.
What is it, old man? Old man, please, let's rest.
We must hurry. It will take us 2 more days to get to the village.
I'm tired. Can we please rest?
Okay, let's stop for a few minutes rest. Let's go.
You see what your son has brought on us? What are we to do now?
It was Medusa.
Shut up! Keeping bad company makes you a bad boy. Who knows what more you have done? Who knows? Everything is to pass to you when I die. As it is now, I wash my hands off you.
AGYA, don't be harsh.
What do you mean, Haba? What do you mean? I should report him to Nana. I wonder where you got this character from. Is he truly my son?
Man kasa bote sam na oke kanen chere me.
What sweat?
Jiwe, numi wo kuro no so. When you bet me you are free mu. Na jiwe ka ho, when so bet me apam motia no.
The Motia has come. Nana says everyone should stay at their homes. No one should go to the farm.
Have you heard? They're all over the place. Oh.
Badu.
You are a ghost.
Badu, touch me. I'm flesh and bones. Can't you see?
Oh. I thought you were dead.
Don't lose this. It will protect you from the Motia. Come on, let me take you home.
No. You have to save your brother, Osei. I was to meet him under the big tree in the middle of the village.
Oh, God.
Please, the Motia will kill him. I can go home myself. Please go and save him.
Okay.
My dear people, we are under serious threat. We are in crisis and we need to fight to redeem ourselves.
Yeah.
As a leader, as a concerned leader, I cannot sit down for my people to suffer. Who will come up and save this, our village, will ascend the throne of this village.
Oh, yes. Where are the heroes of this village? We need you. We need to fight for this village. We need to save this village. This is the time we need you most.
Dabi! 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 I don't remember waya.
Odrumakuma, me do asese wa man nokura dadie. No wa man busuafo animu angu ase. Me bai
would ye? That's your wound, no yamu. Ah, Mama Jesano. Papa! 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 Mommy! The money are all over! Run for your life! I'm running for my life!
Papa! Papa! It's me back home. Papa! Papa, have this. It will protect you from the motia. I'm coming. Look. Outside! Outside! Papa. Outside! Come. Where is my wife? Nana Hima, please use this to protect yourselves. Use this. Osei! Oh God! Osei! Osei! Oh! Oh! Osei! Oh! Osei! Osei!
Nanabio, the gods are angry with you. Your son Badu killed Osa, and you conspired with him and his friend Osei, and got him sentenced to death. This brought a curse upon this village, and innocent people lost their lives because of you. You don't deserve to be the leader of this village.
Nanabio, you have disgraced yourself and the throne. You were the cause of our problems, yet you kept quiet. You don't deserve to be the king of this village any longer.
Nanyama, we agree with you.
Yes. Nanayama, Council of Elders, I deserve nothing from you but forgiveness.
No.
I did not want to lose my only son. That was why.
So others should die?
Please, forgive me.
Kobio, come on to Waha. Obonya wa yen de dia chaw. Backward aroma. We have your how and in every say nyina mu. Yen tra ho e ma woni yesu hin bio. One cast on ye and the two afraid yesu. And now refi. Semra twam no kan to ho. So bi obeboa. Na bebre say we nyina afiri yeso no. O sori fu akonwan so. Edu akonwan ne ma no.
On the kind.
My people, Nanabio is no longer the king of this village. Yes. Beku will be the new king. Yeah.